Oh, it's really dusty. But there's us unloading soybeans into the truck. And this is what the inside of the combine looks like, if y'all can see that. I don't know how well y'all can see that. And then we just unloaded from the auger wagon. That truck is full. Yeah, it's really dusty out here. And I don't know if I'm going to get any harvesting content. So this is the combine, John Deere 9500. It's big. I don't know how big actually. And this finishes unloading. It's only him. I don't know how to drive this or the auger wagon. It is so dusty. I think this field is like, I don't know, we've done like 37 acres of this field. He's done. I don't know what I'm saying to me. I'm just riding with him. But yeah. Farming simulator's speed for how fast you harvest is like 6 miles an hour. No, that's like this thing's top speed is 6. And we harvest at like 3 miles an hour. Occasionally 4, but like about around 3 miles an hour. Oh, he's built up. Oh shit, I'm gonna do this. I guess I was really zoomed in. Okay guys, we are finally giving you guys some soybean harvest video footage, and it's at night, so it's gonna keep getting darker. Yeah, and now the auger wagon is coming to unload from us. We're in the combine, a John Deere something. I think y'all would see earlier. And there are all the soybeans coming out of the auger. Just finished unloading that, and we're heading back on our way. They're heading on their way, and we are heading on our way. Yeah. Go ahead and pause this to look at it. This is what it looks like when it is filling up into the hopper of the combine. And now it is sped up. It's not sped up. I mean, it's unloading. The first part was a little sped up, but this is not sped up right now. As I'm speaking, this is completely normal. Yeah, so that's what it's like unloading when it's unloading into something else. It just goes down there and up, and there's augers that pull it up, and so yeah. This is the last and final piece of this field, and the last thing we're doing tonight. It is 7:44 p.m. and this is the last harvest because I'm seeing because tomorrow we are leaving. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.